Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. Today is April 2nd, 2014. Before we begin, just want to give you the disclosure. The disclosure is here. This is just for educational purposes. None of these are trade recommendations for anyone specifically, but it's more of a way to learn how to trade. And I'm almost chuckling because now we're in April and there's the proverbial April Fool's Day, and possibly this Yellen rally could make us fools again. I mean, I really, trading has always been a humbling experience. The other day I went to cash. First I went to 50% cash, then to 100% cash, because basically the NASDAQ had been selling off and many of the leaders in this rally had been falling. The NASDAQ fell about 5.5% or so. I had taken out some moving averages, key moving averages. And we've also, as I said, fallen from the highs. But this was a very short correction. And you never know how long these corrections can last or how bad they can actually be. And the only thing you have to do is be prudent and follow rules. Because if you don't have rules or part of a trading plan, you won't succeed. As much as it's, let's say, difficult, I gave up my profits and then I've missed the last two run-up days. But this is what trading is. It's never easy. You're always going to have small losses, or at least you try to keep them small, and you're going to have durations of drawdowns. So let me jump to the charts where I'm looking at. Basically, I look at the NASDAQ, and you can see the NASDAQ had this slight pullback, almost similar to here, which has been synonymous with where we are. The MACD is starting to turn back up, albeit this was on lower volume. Who knows what will be, but have a signal to get back into the market. And we'll just have to see what happens. And the idea is you want to be into the leaders. And what I do is they're the leading stocks, basically. I have them here. And these actually have been in the market. And this was a trade actually from yesterday, this QCOR. Again, who knows if it will work. We don't know if any of these will work, except for that I have stops placed and I also use position sizing. And I'm looking at other entries, which you can see here, as well as they're actually listed in Metastock. And you can go one by one where you want to see bounces off the 50-period moving average, which actually you have here. But the only thing, you like to see it a little bit more stronger volume, which hasn't happened. I mean, yesterday was a little bit more volume here. Again, somewhat of a bounce, but on weak volume. This was strong. This was very nice to see. There was a lot of damage here. I mean, from the high of almost 47 down to 32. That's a big drop. So we're starting to come out of that. They also have a descending triangle here that you can see. That's beta. Also bouncing off CMG, Chipolita. But again, it wasn't on strong volume. You don't want to see that. You want to see stronger volume. GLOG has really been a strong stock. It's held up through this whole little regression. But again, you want to buy the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors when the market is healthy. Right now, according to our rules, the market could be considered healthy. Can that change tomorrow? Yes. Again, we're late in a bull market. Again, anything can happen. You need to plan your own trades to your own methodology, your own trading plan, your own risk comfort and tolerances. I am here to help you if you want to develop your trading plan. This is kind of what I do, and it puts me in front of all kinds of people. I do hourly consultations, as well as I do one-on-one mentoring programs. I have several books. Again, if I can help you in any way, please email me. That'd be the best way to get in touch with me. And again, I wish you much success in your trading. Thank you.